Hey there, welcome back to VinVout. In today's video, we are diving into the world of MicroPython with ESP32 and we will set it up using the beginner-friendly Thonny IDE. Let's make it simple. MicroPython is a lightweight, high-level programming language designed to run on microcontrollers. It is a great choice for controlling hardwares like the ESP32, ESP8266 and other microcontroller boards, offering an easy-to-learn way to program hardware using Python syntax. To follow along, here is what you will need: an ESP32 board, a USB cable, Thonny IDE installed on your computer, the MicroPython firmware file. So first let's look at installing the Thonny IDE. Just go to the Thonny website where you can find the installation guide for different operating system. Mine is a Linux based system, so I am just typing in sudo apt install Thonny in the terminal and your Thonny IDE will be ready to work on. Go to the micropython.org website and from the downloads page find ESP32. This page shows you the instruction for installation and also the MicroPython firmware for your board. Click on it to start the process. As you can see, it tells you to use the ESP tool. You can either follow this way or you can, I think it is more easier, open the Thonny IDE and go to Tools and select Manage Plugins. Search for ESP tool, click and install it. Connect the ESP32 to your computer. Now that we have installed ESP tool, we need to erase the firmware of the ESP32 and flash the one that we have recently downloaded. To do that, click on the Run and select Interpreter and select MicroPython ESP32. Now select the port to which your device is connected and on the bottom right corner, select the Install or Update Firmware. Once again, select your port and browse the firmware you have just downloaded. Make sure you select the Erase Flash before installing if this is the first time you putting MicroPython on your board. And now click on the Install button. You need to hold the boot button until it shows writing. It will take some time. Just to confirm if the firmware have properly flashed, press the reset button on the board and it will show something like this in the shell. That's it, you have installed the Thonny IDE MicroPython firmware in your ESP32. With this shell, you can interact with the ESP32 without actually uploading the code. More about programming with this in the next video. Until then, bye.